From text to images, music to video, AI is learning to create like us. But how? Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, things like stories, pictures, code, or even videos, based on patterns it has learned from existing data. These systems are trained on massive amounts of data. They learn patterns, styles, and logic, then use that knowledge to generate something new. Think of it like remixing the world's knowledge into something original. You've probably heard of tools like ChatGPT for writing, DALL for images, or Sora for video. These tools are revolutionizing industries, education, marketing, entertainment, design, and more. Generative AI is fast and powerful, boosting creativity and productivity. But it also raises concerns: misinformation, copyright, and ethical use. The challenge is using it wisely. As generative AI evolves, it will become a powerful co-pilot, not a replacement.